No, apartment's on fire.
One in the alley.
Really?
Well, how did the people have time to get out of here once they set off the alarm?
I think they grabbed this one, put it there, grab that one, put it there, turn them on, and jump down the elevator. But he'll be checking the video camera in the lobby, seeing who leaves, who left.
Something interesting shows go. Yeah, my apartment was on fire. Look at everybody leaving.
Here it is, a guy standing here drinking a bottle of wine and his house coat and he's got a joint.
Should we go downstairs and see what's going on?
Oh, Glenn is probably freaking.
Oh, who cares?
Oh. Oh, it's over. It's over? Hey.
What is it, a prank?
You guys know what's going on? Not a clue. We
Yeah,
just
I
heard
seen
the
the
noise,
landlord.
we seen the hoses and...
The landlord seen both hoses
You
going.
should actually get out of the building. If you don't know what's going on.
Well, we looked and we just seen the flood, so... Yeah, we should have...
We're not sure there's not a fire yet.
Oh, okay.
So you should actually be heading to the building.
Okay.
Really? Hand me on my house coat, Mom.